What's up, YouTube? It's your boy DC The Truth. This video is basically gonna be how I got those 4,000 watch hours. We're gonna break this video up into 4 parts. It's gonna be the intro, the mushy stuff, basically the how I did it is the part new people that's coming in, new small YouTubers that's coming in probably want to see, so you can skip to that part. And then basically why I did it and what I plan to do on in the future. So that's it in a nutshell. So let's get started. So the intro is, I want to thank all the new subscribers that just subscribed to the channel. I appreciate y'all, and just in light of what happened with the last video, I knew it was gonna reconnect me with a lot of old like minds that watch the same type of content. They, I knew I was gonna kind of find them over there, which kind of, is gonna lead me into the, how I got into it when I started talking about the 4,000 watch hours. It's gonna be coming up shortly. And also, I just wanted to thank a few of my subscribers. The one is always, some of them say, hey man, you're gonna hit this milestone, you're gonna do it. And shout out to especially Antoine Bell. Always, every other video, he'd be like, look man, big K, 1K's on the way. Although I'm not there, I'll be there probably in another month or so. Or maybe it might take another video. This video could do it. Who knows? You never know with YouTube. So, which is gonna lead me into how I got the 400,000 watch hours. As you guys know, I played around on YouTube for a bit. If y'all look at my channel, y'all be like, man, this guy's a loser. He joined this year and he's just now getting 900 or some subscribers. No, y'all gotta understand, I created this channel way back a long time ago. And I had 2 channels. This was the backup channel. I really wanted to just start all over for fresh. But even then, as you small YouTubers know, just getting to 100 subscribers is hard enough as it is. And no shade to the big YouTubers that, make videos on how to, get 4,000 watch hours, how to get more subscribers. I'm just basically telling you guys how I did it. And the way I did it was based off, in lack of a better terms, drama. Well, not all drama, but what first kicked me off on this journey was the drama. So, as you guys know, I should have pulled up my YouTube analytics, but if you guys know, I like I said, I was lurking on YouTube a long time before I was motivated to do it again. One of my videos was, I guess you could say, it was a little drama. I got a little upset at a guy in the 2K community, and I made a video about him going at another guy in the 2K community. It made me angry watching these guys grow and, from what they are. Like I say, 2017 was the year of the growth. That's why I say no shade to big YouTubers that try to give advice on how to grow your channel as a smaller YouTuber. I'm telling you, a lot of times as a small YouTuber, in my case or whatever, when I got those few hundred subscribers, a lot of it was, I guess, luck. It just so happened I didn't know that drummer was gonna kick my video up to 6K views, and I had how many views I had, 50 some subscribers at the time, and then it shot up. I gained another 100 over the time, and then as time progressed, I was playing also too. I just want to let small YouTubers know, reaction videos is a great way to grow, get your watch time in, and as well as subscribers. But the only thing about reaction videos is high risk, high reward. So a lot of times you may just get hit with a simple copyright. It's no big deal now like it was like with YouTube back in the day. You know, it was just stripes all over. So I don't know how those channels survive, but that is a quick way to really get your watch time hours up, is to make reaction videos. And I've actually seen another small YouTuber. I actually got discouraged at the time, like, damn, why is she blowing up? She's in a high risk, high reward niche. And I'm like, I like doing reaction videos to certain things. But overall, it's just not that much of my cup of tea. I do like doing it from time to time. You know, I'm not gonna lie. But primarily, this brings me to the next point. You know, experimenting. So I went from that doing reaction videos to I hopped on another train. I figured out, you know, one of my hobbies is gaming, and so I was talking a lot of the game. I wasn't getting a lot of views there, but you know, I'm making videos on it. And then just so happened when the PlayStation 5 launched and they was getting ready to talk about pre-orders, that alone shot up my subscribers to about I think it was you know, I finally hit the I think around that time I finally hit the 300 threshold, and then I started showing my subscribers. So from there I was growing. I think that, you know, boost me up a little bit. And I was like, oh shoot, this is something else I want to talk about. I hit what they call, if I ain't mentioned before, it's not viral, but I say mini viral. You can see the algorithm going up and you get views you normally don't get before. I've done this 6 times already on this channel. So I did it with the PS5. I said, okay, so Xbox gonna have their launch in 2 days. I'm gonna try it with them. As a small YouTuber, it's almost like you got to beat the competition. You have to outthink big YouTubers. You know, a lot of times they're a little lazy. They set in their ways. They got their viewers. A lot of them that's really trying to grow, they trying to do this too. So they're gonna flood you out. So I did the same thing when the Xbox came. I actually net a lot more views with the Xbox. And you know, so I was like, okay, well shoot, you know, I think I'm gonna keep hitting this wave. You know, I'm getting a lot of subscribers, so that became one of my niches or whatever. Talking about gaming news, gaming content, everything about consoles. You know, as well as a little PC. I mixed in there in the middle of that. I was doing some tutorials with the Fortnite. You know, getting people needed to wanted to get rid of the headless account. And I still to this day, man, I get subscribers off of that alone. It's slow growth, but you know, you wanna that's why it's things like, you know, you might hear a lot of big YouTubers say use things like TubeBuddy and things of that nature. It helps with ranking. And I didn't realize how, you know, important that was on YouTube. So when I made a tutorial like that, the title alone kind of ranked what people was looking for. And, you know, over long term, you know, it helps. And I'm going to backtrack for a minute when I say, you know, I've done this mini viral thing 6 times. Of course, y'all see one of my very first videos up here I upload with the Ninja Turtles or whatever. You know, that had about what, 20K views. I don't know, something like that. But I got that over time. So that's why I like videos like that. Is important for people to search for and they find it. You know, that's why these big YouTubers are big on saying ranking in CEO search, which is gonna bring me to the next part. Now that's all my viral stuff out the way. I did with, you know, virals, you know, again, talking about the scalpers, with the pre-orders. And, you know, also, again, our latest video, it was a favorite comedian. There was drama happening on the show to my favorite comedian. So that right there talking about that actually boosts views, almost the same amount of views I got for the first Turtles video I made. So I know this is a long video, and you know, it's one of my first. I don't make these type of videos. I'm not gonna rank the best at them like the professionals will, but this is basically what I did to net those 4,000 watch hours. So you small YouTubers, despite what a lot of them big YouTubers say, they don't know the pain. They didn't have the same saturation that we have right now. Right now, you know, it's a war out here for us, you know. So a lot of time, 70% of it is luck. I say the rest of it is about just, you know, ranking and search. And then, you know, other part of that, I want to close this out. With all that being said, you know, I basically told you, you know, what I did or whatever, and then basically my motivation behind it. Y'all like, okay, when you get 1K subscribers, what's your biggest goal? Is it money? I'm gonna be getting peanuts for being a small YouTuber. This is not gonna pay my bill. Trust me. I have a primary job. I always say I work full time. That's where I get my income from. And it don't matter how big I get on here, I'm still gonna treat YouTube as something secondary. Hell, it might just put gas in my tank, you know. But no, my primary goal on here is because I realized early on that you could not live stream from the phone, which was like, it damn near killed me because I'm always on the go. You couldn't live stream unless you hit 1,000 subscribers. Now that's close to being a goal. I'm looking forward to that. And see, I want to do things like have a podcast. I was talking with my cousin one time. He was talking about he wanted to do a podcast. I might want to do some live podcasts one day. Shoot, I might want to make a show, a internet TV show. I don't know. The sky's the limit. You know, y'all know I film from my phone. I like to set up my little tripod. Right now it's a little, you know, cricket or whatnot, you know, but whatever. But I want to get a better tripod and then, you know, go with a group. And, you know, I can film in the setting. Like, hey, I can live stream now, so I can set the phone up, get mics up, edit everything, you know, and that's another thing, too. I want to get better at doing thumbnails. You know, I want to get better at a lot of things. Editing. Y'all already know that's a big pet peeve of mine. In the beginning, I really do hardly little or no editing right now. Like, today, I'm going to edit a video because, as y'all don't know, my video got cut off. So I got to edit and put them together. But overall, I do want to learn. I'm still a YouTuber as well as a creator. A small creator, but I'm a creator nonetheless. So, you know, it's things I still got to learn. You know, I do listen to the big dogs that got the advice, nicknames and all that, Roberto. You know, a lot of times, you know, the guys don't even pay you attention, but it's whatever. You know, I got the mindset, I keep doing what I do. Hey, if I can net this many, I can do it again, I can do it again, I can do it again. And guess what? I have my own nation. That's how I see it. DC the truth. I don't know what I'm thinking too far here now. I don't know what would I call my guys. You know, your Ray's got the wire G. I forget the other guy. His folks is F and G. You know, we'll figure something out along the way. All right, man. It's your boy DC the Truth. Sorry for the long video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will timestamp this video for you guys. I appreciate you for listening. Thank you. For real.